AI answers questions instantly, with perfect grammar and calm confidence, making it feel like you're talking to something incredibly intelligent. It never hesitates, never sounds unsure, and never asks for time to think before giving you an answer. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people don't realize AI doesn't understand a single word it says. Most people assume AI thinks the way humans think, by understanding ideas, meanings, and real-world concepts. They believe AI knows facts, remembers information, and understands the difference between truth and fiction. When AI explains something clearly, our brains naturally assume it understands what it's talking about. But clarity does not equal understanding, and confidence does not equal intelligence. In reality, AI does not think, reason, or comprehend information like a human mind. Instead, AI works by predicting what word or sentence should come next. Every response you see is based on probability, not understanding, no matter how natural it sounds. AI studies massive amounts of text and learns which patterns usually follow one another. When you ask a question, it predicts the most likely response based on those patterns. It doesn't know if the answer is correct, only whether it sounds statistically likely. That's why AI can describe emotions like love, happiness, or fear so convincingly. Yet it has never felt love, happiness, fear, or pain, not even once. It can explain human experiences without ever experiencing them itself. This matters more than most people realize, especially as AI becomes more trusted every day. Humans are psychologically wired to trust confident speakers, even when they're wrong. We associate confidence with expertise and fluent speech with intelligence. AI uses the same confident tone for every answer, whether it's correct or completely false. This makes it incredibly easy to mistake fluent language for real intelligence. Unlike humans, AI never feels doubt, hesitation, or uncertainty about its answers. It will answer almost anything, even when no correct answer actually exists, and it will do so with the same calm confidence every single time. This is why AI can sound intelligent while still being completely wrong. There have already been real cases where AI invented fake facts that sounded completely believable to professionals and experts. AI has generated fake legal cases, complete with citations, that lawyers trusted without checking the sources. In science, AI has confidently referenced research papers that never actually existed, not because the AI was trying to deceive anyone, but because it doesn't know what truth actually is. AI has no internal understanding of reality, accuracy, or consequences. People believed the information because the language sounded professional, logical, and authoritative. This shows how dangerous confident misinformation can be when humans stop questioning it. AI is not lying in the human sense. It is simply predicting language patterns. The real problem starts when humans treat AI like an authority instead of a tool. AI should be treated as a powerful assistant, not a source of absolute truth. It can help generate ideas, summaries, and explanations, but not final decisions. Important information should always be verified using trusted human judgment. This is especially critical in areas like health, law, money, and personal life decisions. Understanding AI's limits is the key to using it safely and responsibly. Smart users question AI outputs instead of blindly accepting them. AI will continue to shape how we work, learn, and communicate in the future. But understanding how AI works will separate careful users from careless ones. Blind trust in any powerful technology has always led to serious problems. Curiosity and skepticism are the strongest forms of protection in the age of AI. AI can give answers faster than any human ever could, but only humans can decide what those answers truly mean.